It's time to stop doing gym sales the hard way. Wanted to share a story. I was in my car this morning heading to the gym, and I was sitting in traffic, observed a car on my left-hand side attempting to sort of cut across like 5 lanes of traffic to head back the other way. I feel like the easiest thing to do is they could turn left, go down the street 50 meters, and they'd be sort of back on track, heading in the direction they want to. But actually watch this car sitting there, attempting to do the impossible, attempting to do the hardest possible thing, expecting everyone else to kind of stop for them. And I wondered if perhaps sometimes when we're running a fitness business, subconsciously, we actually choose the hard way instead of the easy way. If you're someone that on a Friday, for example, catches yourself where you spent 30 minutes editing a video on CapCut, perhaps you've posted that on Instagram to strangers. In a lot of ways, that's actually the hardest thing. That's like this guy trying to get across 5 lanes of traffic, sitting there attempting to pull off a miracle, when there's actually a really easy option that they could take. In the fitness industry, that's sometimes reaching out to an ex-member. Maybe there's 5 people that were members that for whatever reason, they were injured, they got busy with work and they stopped training. You pick up the phone, you give them a quick call, and you can find that those people you've already got some rapport with. They already understand what your service is, and it's much easier to get them back in for a week free or something to sort of have them training again. Perhaps there's a list of people that inquired, maybe even came in and did a trial in your gym, and they got to that last hurdle and stopped. Maybe it was the joining fee, maybe it was the length of the contract. As the owner, giving them a quick call, getting some feedback, you can remove that barrier and help them to get started. So that's my challenge for you guys today. If you're a gym owner, do you ever catch yourself subconsciously doing sales the hard way? Is there actually just easier things you could be doing to help more people and get them actually training in your business, rather than going for that kind of miracle play like this guy trying to attempt to cut across traffic that clearly was making life hard for himself?